What if you could create multiple professional AI videos without paying for expensive software or complicated equipment? In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Flow and Seedance to create high-quality videos using free resources and simple steps. Let's get started. So to keep things simple and avoid making the explanation too long, we'll go directly to Google and then we'll search for Google Flow, just like this. After opening Google Flow and signing in with your email address, you can create multiple videos using the platform. The process is very simple. You can use different email accounts, and each email account gives you 50 credits, which means you can create multiple videos per day. So first, we'll click on New Project. Then we'll choose the video settings like this. First, make sure you select video, not image. Then choose the Omni Flash model. After that, select the video duration. You can also choose the video orientation depending on how you plan to use your content. Do you want the video to be horizontal or vertical? In this example, we'll choose the horizontal format, as you can see here. Next, we'll go back to ChatGPT to get the prompt we'll use to create our video. I'll provide these prompts for you so you'll be able to use them as well. I'll copy the prompt like this, then return to Google Flow, as you can see here. Now I'll paste the prompt into the dedicated field. For YouTube, we'll use the 16:9 horizontal format. Then we'll click this arrow and wait for the result. And as you can see, this is the result we got from Google Flow. Just look at the quality of the video. The camera angles are varied, the movement looks excellent, and the overall video quality is impressive. Now I'll download it by clicking on these three dots and then selecting Download. This way we can save the video directly to our computer. Next, we'll return to ChatGPT to get another prompt and create a completely different video. Then I'll go back to Google Flow and follow exactly the same process. I'll leave all the settings exactly as they are, then click this arrow and wait for the final result. And here is another result from a completely different video. As you can see, it is highly professional in every way. The video also includes background audio, which makes the final result even more impressive. Everything looks great. And the interesting thing is that each email account gives you approximately 5 videos using this method. So by using different email accounts, you can create multiple videos and experiment with different ideas. And here is another result that we'll download using the same process. Now that we've downloaded all of our videos from Google Flow, let's move on to the other tool we'll use to create videos with Seedance. We'll go to Google and search for this phrase. Then we'll click on the first result, as you can see here. First, we'll sign in using our email address. Now that we've signed in with our email, I need to make sure that I'm logged into the correct account. Then we'll come here and choose Video. Here, the tool gives me the option to continue, so I'll select the email account first. After that, we'll get this interface. Now we'll select Create Video. For the duration, we have two options, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. I'm going to choose 10 seconds. Next, we can select the video format, whether we want it vertical or horizontal. Then we can choose the model. And the most important part here is the Dream Seedance model. After selecting it, we'll click this arrow to create the video using Seedance. Now we'll wait for the result. As you can see, the tool tells us that it will create the video using Seedance. It will cost 2 points, and the generation may take anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. Because the tool is free, it may take a little longer to generate the video since many other users are also using the service at the same time. And as you can see, this is the result we got using this tool and its Seedance model. Now take a look at the video quality. It is excellent, impressive, and highly professional in every way. To download the video, simply click on this blue arrow. The video will then be downloaded directly to your device. It's that simple. And if you want to create another video, you can simply go back, select Create Video again, select the settings you want, select the model you prefer, and decide whether you want the video to be horizontal or vertical. Then paste your prompt here, click this arrow, and you'll get another AI-generated video. So these are the tools I wanted to share with you today. As you can see, you can use Google Flow and Seedance to create professional AI videos through a simple workflow, experiment with different prompts, and produce multiple pieces of content without needing expensive video production software. I hope this tutorial was useful for you and that you can use these tools to create your own videos for YouTube, social media, advertisements, shorts, and other types of content. If you enjoyed this video and found these tools useful, subscribe to the channel and support us with a like and a comment. And tell me in the comments what AI tool or video generation technique would you like me to explain in the next video. Share this video with your friends and other creators who might find these tools useful. Thank you for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.